Okay, welcome back to Giro3 YouTube channel. In today's video we're having a look at a Yaesu G-1000 rotator that was sent in to me by a customer. It all of a sudden stopped working or something. I can't remember the full story. So I thought I just tested it and it's jammed up, and I thought, well, I think it might be one thing, but I decided to videotape this because who knows what we're going to find in here. So I just noticed there's a bit of, looking at the bottom here, you can see the base of the motor, which has got a bit of rust. You can see some stuff floating around in there. And the bearings sound like they're very, very dry. And there's stuff falling out of this is like, oh Jesus, oh, look at that. Oh, there is stuff falling out of this. All this down here. We can't see it. Oh. This is looking like we have, I can hear it inside. Wow. Normally hear the bearings moving around, but you can hear small stuff moving around. And now I've got a whole lot of electrolysis and crap on my bench. It's quite a bit actually. Just get out of the road. Oh, bloody hell. Well, let's undo them and see what we come up with. There's stuff flying out everywhere. Oh, that screw wasn't tight. Okay, and there's stuff falling out of all these holes and everything. There's just stuff flying everywhere. Oh, let's have a get this. Oh, crikeys! Can't move the bloody. Oh. Well, the bearing ring is jammed. Okay, the bearing, it's separated from the top, but the bearing ring's jammed. Why is the bearing ring? Oh my god! Oh! Oh! Well, that is basically stuffed. Look at that. This has been upside down. Look at the crap and garbage in here. Swing bar still moves, but look at the potentiometer gear. It's just totally rusted. This has been laying on its side in water. As you can see here, you can see the watermark right across there. It's been laying on its side like that, half full of water. Wow. This is the worst of the Yaesu ones I've seen for a while. Yeah, okay. Potentiometers, the potentiometers probably been full of water. Limit switches are just stuffed. Gears probably may be able to be saved. Well, all the bearings, I'm going to take these bearings off because the bearings are amazing. The bearings not that rusty. Oh, only half of them are rusty. But they're already dry though. The bearings are really, really dry because of all this crap in here. Oh my god, the gears. Oh my god. Look at that shite falling off this. And no wonder why I can't. Oh, there's the bottom bearing ring. Finally got it off. Oh, pulled all the crap out. Look at that. Wow. Well, all these in here with all the crap and garbage. My god. Right, oh, I made all this bench. It's full of crap now. Jesus. Oh, well, we'll continue to strip it down. Yuck. Whether I can continue very much, I might get this cable tie off. Got to bring my side cutters over, get this down the road. Get all this stuff off the top here. Probably going to have screws that are just going to snap off. We'll strip it down and see what we've, if we can actually find anything we can salvage out of it. Oh, that screw's loose. Okay, we got that out. That's had it. Okay, lucky that ain't very tight because that's had it too as well, but at least it didn't break off. Okay, look at that. Wow. Okay, let's get the potentiometer. Oh, at least it didn't break off. Oh my god. Come on out. That's it, come on. Broke it off. Damn it. Oh. Oh, out of there, you sod. Right. Yeah. Someone's been in here before. They have used the wrong size screwdriver on this and they've burred all the screwdriver bits out. Look at that. So someone's been inside this before. Instead of using a socket, they've used the wrong size screw. These are a number 2 screwdriver, not a number 1. That's a number 1. That's a number 2. So it says on here. Where is it written on here? I can hardly bloody see it. It's on there. It's the number 2. So, if it's a hex head, always use hex heads. So, someone may have tried to service this or something once before, and has used a third-stage screwdriver instead of using a spanner or something. There we go. Okie dokie. Everything's loose. Man, there's gunk everywhere. What I'm just going to do for now, I'm just going to cut these off because I'll get rid of these. Take these out the front. Get all this wiring out of the road. And just drag them out through the front. It gets rid of them out of the road. Might as well strip it right down. See how bad this is. Well, that would definitely stuff it up if the bearings can't move. Everything's seized up. All I can say is, don't leave your rotators hanging upside down. Oh, okay, I'm going to cut these off as well. These are stuffed as well. Just cut them off there like that. Probably end up putting new wires in anyway. You get these. I don't know when I unsolder those, but this is basically stuffed up anyway, so. And even the poor little diodes in the back of these limit switches are all crapped up. Oh, that's alright, I normally cut those out, that's what I normally do. That's what I normally do. Put one through at a time, not try and get two through at a time. Okay, we'll get them out through the front here. They normally come out through the front, but for some reason this one does not want to. Oh, okay, we've got a bit of a burr on this one. Okay. Well, the limit switches are going to be throwaway anyway, so put the one there through the back way. Oh, that's out of there. Bottom casing may be able to be saved. More crap in here you can poke a stick at. Okay. Oh god, my bench is a mess. God damn. So I'm on, yes, we put it on. Wrong tray. Let's get this off here. Moving around. Righto. Wrong screwdriver. Where's my maneuvering bar? Go down to here. Alrighty. Okay. Oh, there's some. That's not totally stuffed. Okay, so that's. Check all that out later on. God, they don't put much grease in these bloody things. Oh, there's hardly anything in here at all. Oh, I'm going to get that off. Help if I get the camera. Get the little push nut. These are called, little push nut. I just keep the weight of the other gears off that fast moving number 1 gear. Yeah. Minimalistic in the grease department. Very little. Wow. Oh boy, oh boy. Okay. We have stripped it down, but we've got a lot of damage up in here. It might clean up, maybe. I might have to get this glass bead blasted maybe to get all the crap out of it. Wow. Where's the little screwdriver? Just going to come off this stuff. Looks like it might be using. How's the bearing track? Rough. Dum, 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 dum. There's things going in here. Wow. It may clean up. Wow. Got a lot of crap in here. Oh, we've got a. I'll report back to the customer. Sorry I wasn't too much talking here, but yeah. Everything's had to totally rewired. That wire will be stuffed. At least it wasn't laying on the side where the plug or the socket was, so the socket probably could be reused, maybe. But this doesn't need all cleaning up. Probably have to be glass bead blasted. I've got to try and extract that screw too as well. The swing bars are going to come off to clean everything up. Well, okay, I'm going to call it quits at that point, and I will report back to the customer and we shall go from there. And now I've got to clean a big lot of crap up. Catch you next video. Bye.